Hi, it's Dale again with besteasywork.com/voices everywhere. I want to just mention people, they hear stuff like this, oh, I just don't have the time to do anything else. I'm thinking, yes, you do. Everybody's got the same 24 hours in a day, of course, you know that, but it's what you do with that time. So I'm sitting in bed the other day, I grabbed this box of postcards that they sent me. By the way, they were free. They sent me free postcards, self-addressed with the person's name, and they give you free postage to put on. You don't even have to lick the darn stamps. Peel and stick, doop-a-doop-a-doo, and you put them on the postcard and mail them out. Social media will eat your time up. And messing with your hair too much, or don't shave your legs in the winter, okay? Or don't be picking your feet when you could be making money. Read through the website, scroll down to the videos there, and eventually you're going to come up with a phone number, and the owner wants to talk to you directly. Yeah, he answers the phone himself. Pretty darn cool, huh? When you're done with the videos, go to the link in the first comment. My hands aren't that big. That's where you need to go to learn more about this thing. And scroll to the bottom when you get to the owner's video with all the, it's kind of cheesy, but he knows. Seriously, you can have some $500 days if you put in some minimum effort. Back to the stamp licking thing, you know. Hello, he'll take care of you.